Students, our next exercise question is also about the vocabulary, and this question is about matching columns. Let's see what is the question. Match the column A with column B. In column A we are given with some words and in column B उनके कुछ meanings हैं, लेकिन वो arrange नहीं है, वो एक randomly लिखे गए हैं. इस आपकी आसानी के लिए मैंने एक column C को create किया है. column C में exactly जो same meanings वाले word हैं वो आपके column A के बिल्कुल सामने लिखे गए हैं. तो first word is beside. Beside mean at the side of, so we can join here it in this way, that beside here in this way. Then we have ironic. Ironic means conveying opposite meanings. And then we have made up. Made up mean decided, something which is already decided is made up. And the last is justify my stance, doesn't mean prove myself. So students, I hope आपको ये words meaning का जो exercise है columns की ये आपको समझ आई होगी, आपको meanings आपने understand किए होंगे. चलिए हम अपनी अगली exercise की तरफ चलते हैं.